Hello and welcome to another English language GCSE video. In this video I'm going to be talking briefly about bias. So what is it and why do we need it in English? Well, biased is a kind of prejudice, it's a kind of side taking. In fact, biased is opinion itself. We all have opinions, and therefore we all have biases. So when we write, naturally we write from our own opinion or our own opinions and our own biases. If we write something, a piece of writing, and it's all from our own opinion and nobody else's, it's said to be biased. However, if we write from our own opinion but we also write from the other person's opinion, we would have a balanced piece of writing, a balanced view and a full picture. Most writers do not set out to be biased. We are naturally tempted to exaggerate things that support our argument, and we are naturally tempted to omit or neglect to say or to not mention things that support the other person's argument. Also, when we write, because we're writing from our own opinions or our own biases, we tend to make generalizing, sweeping statements that aren't necessarily true. So bias isn't always obvious and it isn't always deliberate, because we're all speaking from our own opinion, which, as I've stated at the beginning, is bias. It's necessary in English language GCSE that we are able to recognize when the writer is being biased, and a good way to do this is to practice by looking at the available literature. If we look through newspaper articles and reviews and have a look what the writer has written and ask yourself a few questions. Is the writer saying something from their own point of view? Have they included the other side of the argument? If they haven't included the other side of the argument, the writer is said to be biased and the writing is therefore biased. So bias is taking a position and sticking to it, but if a piece of writing has both sides of the argument, then it is a balanced piece of writing and it's the full picture. I hope what I said makes sense. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye for now. Thanks for watching.